Hello dear students, I R.K. Tiwari welcome you all on this online study platform of Divine Public School. Till now, we have learned to read the time from a clock and conversion of days into hours and hours into minutes. We shall now extend these ideas further. So in this video, let us learn more about time. Let us see the 24-hour clock and understand its concept. We normally use the 12-hour clock to measure time. However, air services, railways, shipping lines, defense, forces, and television networks throughout the world use the 24-hour clock. Here, you can see the 24-hour clock. Under this system, 4 digits are used to indicate the time. The first 2 digits show the hours and the last 2 digits the minutes. In our daily life, the day starts at 12 midnight and is written as 0000 hours. The following table shows the 12-hour clock time and the corresponding 24-hour clock time. Conversion of 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time. To convert 24-hour clock time to 12-hour clock time, see the concept. Rule 1. Time from midnight 0000 hours to 1200 hours. If the number formed by the first 2 digits from the left after 24-hour clock time is less than 12, then it denotes the number of hours before noon and so AM to be used. Let us see the example. 535 hours equal to 5:35 AM. 920 hours equal to 9:20 AM. And 1159 hours equal to 11:59 AM. And dear students, 1200 hours is called 12 noon. Rule 2. Time from 1201 hours to 1259 hours. If the number formed by the first 2 digits from the left of a 24-hour clock time is 12 other than 1200, then PM is to be used with it. Let us see the examples. 1205 hours is equal to 12:05 PM. 1220 hours is equal to 12:20 PM. And 1259 hours is equal to 12:59 PM. Rule 3. Time from 1300 hours to 2400 hours. If the number formed by the first 2 digits from the left of 24-hour clock time is 13 or more, then the difference between the number and 12 gives the number of hours and PM is to be used. Let us see the examples. 1305 hours is equal to 1305 minus 1200, that is equal to 15 PM. 1720 hours is equal to 1720 minus 1200, that is equal to 520 PM. 2359 hours is equal to 2359 minus 1200, that is equal to 11:59 PM. And 2400 hours or 0000 hours is equal to 12 midnight. Now let us learn conversion of time. Before starting conversion, let us see some important formulas. 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes or 3600 seconds. 1 minute is equal to 60 seconds. 1 day is equal to 24 hours. 1 week is equal to 7 days. 1 fortnight is equal to 2 weeks or 14 days. 1 year is equal to 12 months or 365 days. 1 leap year is equal to 366 days. Converting higher units into lower units. Let us see the example. Convert 3 days into hours. Dear students, we know very well that 1 day is equal to 24 hours. Therefore, 3 days should be equal to 3 multiplied by 24 hours, that is equal to 72 hours. So, our answer is 3 days is equal to 72 hours. See the example 2. Convert 5 hours 42 minutes into minutes. Again, 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So, 5 hours 42 minutes is equal to 5 multiplied by 60 plus 42 minutes. That should be 300 plus 42 minutes. After adding both, 342 minutes. So our answer is 5 hours 42 minutes is equal to 342 minutes. Let us see the example 3. Convert 5 years 8 months into months. 1 year equal to 12 months. Therefore, 5 years 8 months is equal to 5 multiplied by 12 plus 8 months. That is 60 plus 8 months. After adding both numbers, we will get 68 months. So our answer is 5 years 8 months is equal to 68 months. Converting lower units into higher units. Let us see the example 1. Convert 754 minutes into hours and minutes. We will write the formula. 1 minute is equal to 1 divided by 60 hour. Therefore, 754 minutes equal to 754 divided by 60 hours. After dividing 754 by 60, we will get 12 hours and 34 minutes. So, our answer is 754 minutes is equal to 12 hours 34 minutes. Let us see the example 2. Convert 365 days into weeks and days. 1 day is equal to 1 divided by 7 week. Therefore, 365 days is equal to 365 divided by 7 weeks. When we will divide 365 by 7, we will get 52 weeks and 1 day. So, 365 days is equal to 52 weeks and 1 day. Now let us learn addition and subtraction of time. Firstly, we will learn addition of time. See the example 1. Add 3 hours 23 minutes and 5 hours 27 minutes. Firstly, we will arrange the time in hour and minute column. After that, follow the rule. Step 1. Adding minutes. 23 minutes plus 27 minutes is equal to 50 minutes. We will write 50 under minutes column. And then step 2. Adding hours. 3 hours plus 5 hours equal to 8 hours. So we write 8 under hours column. So 3 hours 23 minutes plus 5 hours 27 minutes is equal to 8 hours 50 minutes. Example 2. Add 26 minutes 48 seconds and 12 minutes 46 seconds. Again, we will arrange the time in minute and second column, and after that follow the steps. Step 1. Adding seconds. 48 seconds plus 46 seconds equal to 94 seconds. Step 2. Adding minutes. 26 minutes plus 12 minutes equal to 38 minutes. So we write 38 under minutes column. Step 3. Subtract 60 from the second and add 1 in the minutes column. So we will get 39 minutes and 34 seconds. Therefore answer is 26 minutes 48 seconds plus 12 minutes 46 seconds is equal to 39 minutes 34 seconds. Let us see the subtraction of time. Example 1. Subtract 3 hours 34 minutes from 5 hours 50 minutes. Firstly, we will arrange the time in hour and minute column. Then we will follow the rule. Step 1. Subtracting minutes. 50 minutes minus 34 minutes equal to 16 minutes. So we write 16 under the minutes column. Then step 2. Subtracting hours. 5 hours minus 3 hours is equal to 2 hours. So we write 2 under hours column. Hence 5 hours 50 minutes minus 3 hours 34 minutes is equal to 2 hours 16 minutes. Example 2. Subtract 34 minutes 24 seconds from 43 minutes 10 seconds. Again we will arrange the time in minute and second column and we will follow the steps. Step 1. Subtracting seconds. We cannot subtract 24 seconds from the 10 seconds. So we borrow 1 minute, leaving behind 42 minutes. Means 60 seconds plus 10 seconds should be 70 seconds. So 70 seconds minus 24 seconds is equal to 46 seconds. Step 2. Subtracting minutes. 42 minutes minus 34 minutes is equal to 8 minutes. So the final answer is 43 minutes 10 seconds minus 34 minutes 24 seconds equal to 8 minutes 46 seconds. Dear students, I hope you nicely understood the concept of time. So it's time to solve the questions related to the book. So start the solving the problems from your book. Thank you.